are pleased to show you the 2020 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, dual moonroof, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.